Okay, so what I'm about to open is the
Yo, Gary.
the Stockholm School of Economics.
Yeah, you'll make real relationships here.
Legit yesterday. And this is no fake thing. You know all them YouTubers on the gram be doing a bunch of fake S.
Alright, you're gonna have to bear with me here. So, do you guys remember back in Barbados in 2017? William?
How you doing, guys?
We're
Good to see
good.
you.
How's the plane going?
Good.
Do you remember him?
William, like I was out partying Friday night.
He's here with Adam, and Adam is like, he's on the Barbados tennis team. So, and he told
Adam, like I know one guy from Barbados, and the first guy he sees in the club is me. Pretty crazy, and we haven't seen each other for like 4 years.
William, who's by the way in Harvard Law School right now, congrats, shout out, subtle flex. William turned out to be good friends with Espen, and I don't know if you remember Espen.
What's up?
How are you? Oh, little doggy. We have mutual friends.
Okay.
They're twins. And I want to know if you can tell the difference. Here
This will
is-
be embarrassing if I can't tell the difference. Oh yeah.
That's crazy because William, who's a childhood friend of mine, got to know Espen at college in the US. And I got to know Espen through a Rev rally in Stockholm. The first Rev rally in Stockholm. Oof, it's heavy. No, but after the Rev rally, I found out the connection with Espen and my childhood friend William, and then I started talking to Espen and some more people at Revolut, which led into me doing some pilot stuff for them and some. I went did the office tour video. It's not real, right?
Yeah, it's real.
Is it what? Obviously, the unboxing video. Do you remember the unboxing video? So
Wow. Listen. Yo, this is so sick. It's a metal card. Alright.
So for none of these videos, like, you know, I get this shit myself. Okay, so yeah, sure, I've collaborated on some things with Revolut, but I also like this as an example, I pay for. To summarize, my good friend in Barbados
Harvard
turns
Law
out to be
School.
friends with
Who
my friend in
Barbados,
Sweden,
happened
where
to
we
be
met
Barbados,
in college
where
as
we
Espen.
married.
Alright, cut it. You get the gist. We know each other. It's I just wanted to show you like the event chain of horizons stuff, the timeline. Thanks, babe. Thank you, babe. Can we just get into it?
Yeah, please.
So, naturally, the question is, what do we have here? Well, why don't I show you? Oh, wait, you know what? Obviously, Revolut, smart, innovative fintech company. You don't even need a knife. Look, you can... Perfect. Boom. Look at this, guys. Okay, so what I'm about to open is the Revolut business card metal Visa Infinite. Now this is significant because I think I've been a business customer now close to a year or something, because I am sick of tired of these legacy banks doing a shitty job at providing services and just being able to look at your PIN on your phone, etc. Ooh, I like this. Do you see this? Apple, Android. Boom. Sick. Okay. Let's see here, guys. Unboxing. Nice. Visa Infinite. Victor White Business. Okay, so it's 18. it's 18 grams. Wait, can I? Yeah, 18. Ooh, 18 grams. Steam. Look at this, guys. Okay, this is flex. This is flex. See the little flying eagle in the back. All right, so my dream. Obviously, I'm YouTube's worst tech reviewer, but what I'm trying to say now is this is such a flex. So I now have a metal personal card and a metal Visa Infinite Revolut card. You see here? Boom. One is for business, for Victor White International, and one is for personal use. Babe, how good looking am I now with 2 metal cards, babe?
If you were a 10 before, you're now a...
I can confirm, my girlfriend, she just said that it's so sexy. Alright, comparison. It's heavier. I don't know if it's because this one is used, but it feels heavier. Smells, got the noise in the background. Doesn't smell anything. Finish looks about the same. Anyhow, guys, if you are a business and you're dealing with multiple currencies or whatever, I would suggest you to switch to Revolut for business. Now, I probably should go more in depth in this video, but I have so much to do in school and exam period coming up, so I'm just gonna end it here. So thanks for watching. Hence me on the cusp of burnout. Peace! Get Revolut, or I don't know, be stuck in the Stone Age. Peace!
Take mine. I barely drink, but you know when it comes from, then I'll go. Take mine. They keep on pouring, they know I'ma always go for it. Cause I'm a rude boy, nah, nah, nah. You got that shape like la, la, la. I make you scream, oh yeah, yeah, yeah.